hadu kumba khnai phumut ki samla sinrang bat kan thei jong ka Jylla ki nio ek Jinghikai e halo ki babun ki kam lengba ka program jong ka sarkar India bulatip kum ka pradhan mantri kushal kendra hapo ka jingpe jong ka Ascensif Educare Private Limited ya ka te ka Jinghikai ka banlong hasin pita school cliff colony dhan ki ti Shillong lawan man play da ka melie jong Shillong is ka kong amprin lingdo harkat ka jinolang deputy director jong ka employment jong ka sarkar Jylla ka kong Jacinta lingwa kinong pnya jong ka Ascensif Educare bat kwi hiwei.
I am a legislator from the Congress Party. But in skill development and in the responsibility of motivating the people of my state and my country, no politics exists. We appreciate the efforts that the government is putting in to initiate this center. You've heard what the center head said. State-of-the-art model office of the Pmkk program is being launched in my constituency today. No matter how much of skill programs or attempts to skill all of you we put in, if you are not willing to participate in total in all of these programs, the entire mind, the entire planning of these programs will get washed down the drain. Many of us are aware that the tribal mind particularly is a mind which is a copycat mind. If we see somebody excelling after opening a beauty shop, you will see hundreds of beauty shops coming up. I think the Honorable Prime Minister, in all of the speeches that I've heard him deliver, has one main agenda in his mind. And that agenda is to motivate the people of this country to become productive citizens of the country. I think most of you who are unfamiliar with the matrilineal system, let me just tell you, I think you should know one thing. That kayengi may hakano kapor ka don bet nam tajunga. Which means, doesn't matter. My mom is there and her kitchen is free of cost. And I can remain in my mom's kitchen for as long as I want to. Now that, my dear young friends, has to change. If that doesn't change, no matter how many crores of rupees any program is invested upon, the results will be very dismal and disappointing. So as a legislator with that responsibility, I urge, I'm motivating you. After you've picked up some skills, do something with your life. Stop waiting for the earthquake to stir your tea. Shillong is a place where earthquakes happen very, very regularly. You literally can wait for the next earthquake to stir your next cup of tea. But unfortunately, time will not wait for anyone. You will not believe it. Today you are 20. Before you know it, you'll be 30. And when time catches up with you, it's going to be a problem. It's going to be such a big problem, and you're going to be in so much of conflict, and you're going to be reaching out for the wrong habits that will make you feel that everything will be all right. So if you have faith in what the Honorable Prime Minister is doing for this country, participate in this program with a sense of responsibility.
Layo ru ya ka jingbatai ka bakhambania halo ka tek senta naka kong bhanti mai dingdo kabadai ka state operating manager jongka Ascensif.
Tingi ai training yaki khana am jongka airline arbanai kam tingi ai training yaki te yakini ki room attendance pat ka health padengi ai ki lai banai Tapi ada kini training badeng yarap iki kenya kini placement ikum tu pangin ai ki placement bun sen bad long sabar kum tu kan te kum kini ki hair bade long hair stylist bade ngila ban ai ki long kila ban pli la jong ki dukan mo kum ki beauty parlor ikum tu ngi te ngila ban ai jing yarap iki lung ba ki bank da ki shem kum tu low katu ka 0% interest ngila ban ai ki yarap iki lung ba ka state bank kan leng bagi ni ke NSDC pada kum ka certification yiki ngi ai kum tu kum ka yarap te ki kena jungi nang ni long ada ki yet kam sabar ai kum tu mak la don lupa kan ni jong ka national skill development ka certificate iki te da ki la adap kam training ru kum tu ngi don ni track te ki kum tu hadian shi senam kum tu ngi follow up iki la da ki dang don em tu ban trai Shillong kom nu hakatu ka cakatre jongki em ngi follow up iki kamu cis nam kom tu mon ngi follow up iki tabalo kini kena jungi pete ting teng tu ngi la pha iki placement kom tu em Shillong mai ki wan phai no te tang shi panai arprime tu ki wan phai no ki ong bom biang ka cakasa ki tu kuma ki tu pat ngi ale i ban yarap kom ki room attendant ngi la don ki tie up kom tu ken ka Shillong te ngi yarap